Hey Tony, hey, I like the things you do. Hey Tony, if I could I would be you. The one and only tiger with the one and only taste. Go ahead and make it frosted flake taste great. I don't even know how the lyrics go. What's going on, y'all? We shooting this video same day, man. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. Check this out. This is, I'm assuming, a seeded package, influencer package. I don't even know what they call them these days. PR package, maybe? You already see the vibe, bro. We got great on the front. This is a breakfast tray. Let's just go ahead and crack this open. I kid you not, guys. I've shot this video 3 times. You can only be enthusiastic for so long. So I got like this cool overhead rig, and I know you guys have actually been asking me how I shoot my video. We will do something about my whole setup on that. I mean, you see the color grade, and you see the cinematics, man. I really just watch a lot of YouTube. That's pretty much all it comes down to, all self-taught. You always got to find something that like differentiates you from everyone else. Anyway, back to the story. I got this cool overhead rig, and you guys can see the shoes right there. They're super fire. This is probably one of the coldest sneaker packages that I've gotten in a really long time. Even right there, my mic just folded over, so the audio is probably messed up. There's so many little technical things to making a video. It's not like the old days where you just turn on a camera. It could be, but I don't like that, man. I like to make little movies, you know what I'm saying? My memory card filled up, and I was talking throughout the whole video, and I didn't look up to see, oh, it stopped recording. Okay, whatever, reshot it. Wrong setting, audio terrible, reshot it. Mic dies. So here we are, once again, still talking about these shoes, guys. So I'm just gonna change it up, man. Like, worst part is like, it came in this cool packaging, and I'll have to just do B-roll and reset it all and just, whoa, guys, look, I got an, you know, it's just, nah, I can't do it. This is a cool package. We're just gonna do a voiceover for all this. As soon as you open this bad boy up, you got this acrylic casing on the top, pulled it off, and come to find out that it's actually like a little breakfast tray right here. You guys can see the Puma remote, the cereal, the milk, everything you need to really throw down and watch Looney Tunes, you know what I'm saying? Then we open that up. We have this nice little Puma magnet, classic Frosted Flakes. I wanna say like boxes or ads. This one even looks like it's in Spanish. And get 10 cents off. It's crazy to think like way back in the day, cereal, a whole box of cereal is probably like $1, and now it's actually like 50 bucks. We got this cool little milk carton. What do y'all be drinking, 2% or old? Let me know down below, farm fresh milk or something. It wouldn't be Frosted Flakes without a small little box. I remember like back in the AAU days when we stay at hotels, we'd all run down and basically just rob the free continental breakfast because that was like the best thing ever as a kid. So this box really just takes me back. Now with this collab, this was celebrating 70 years of, you know, Kellogg's Tony the Tiger. And I think Puma really kills it. When it comes to these collabs, man, this is what I love about shoes. It's just like the nostalgia aspect of things, the way it just tells a story. Nike used to do a really good job with that, with the SB. But now we're just kind of missing that. A lot of sneakers keep dropping. It's just new colorway after new colorway, quick turnover, quick cash grab. Without like some real love put into it, you know what I mean? And by love, I just mean the aspect of storytelling. What makes this great? What makes this shoe worthy of copying? Whether it be something like the 11s, Jordans were super popular because of Michael Jordan. Now they're most likely popular because of hype, certain celebrities wearing them or collaborations, because the further we get out, you know, people are gonna forget about Michael Jordan. So these athletes, celebrities, influencers, whatever, even just normal people are truly the heart and soul of the shoe, man. That's honestly what I think makes sneakers great. When you can feel some type of emotion. It's like, you know, watching a 2-hour movie and getting away from life. I think sneakers do that for a lot of people. There's nothing better than, you know, being in the store or just, you know, out and about and someone's like, man, I really like your shoes. And it can become a conversation piece. One of the videos we're gonna talk about is like the level of networking within sneakers and just how much shoes can actually do for you. Spark conversations. They keep you from being off your phone and just in the moment, feel me? It's the aspect of really more than shoes. It's a full-blown community of people who have similar interests, and I think that's really dope. I'd love to see more collabs like this, and I'll definitely have my eye out, but I'd love to hear, you know, what collab this year or last year, or just in general, that has been your favorite so far, and it can be any brand. Go down below in the comments. Puma couldn't have picked a better model to do than these. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments, but this is week number 2, man. Uploading Monday through Friday every single day. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the weekend. I'll see you on Monday. This is your boy Sneaker Life, running. Hands in the air now.